In this session, we will discuss about finding the largest and smallest among three given integers. But this is the second version of finding the largest and smallest of three given integers. In the first version, we have considered 6 scenarios. In the second session, we are going to consider 13, all possible 13 scenarios. We will see these scenarios here. The first scenario is all the three numbers being equal. So there is no smallest, there is no largest. So none of them is largest and smallest. In the second scenario, the largest is third number and the smallest, it can be either number 1 and number 2, which means both first number, second number are same, but they are lesser than the third number. In the third scenario, second number is largest and first number and third number are smallest, but both of them are lesser than this. And in scenario 4, first number is largest, any of the second and third is smallest. In the fifth scenario, here we are going to change, which means there are two largest, first or second being the largest, and third number goes the smallest. In the sixth scenario, first or third number are largest and the second number is smallest. In the seventh scenario, second or third becomes the largest and first becomes the smallest. And the remaining 6 scenarios we have discussed in the first version, that is the first number is the smallest and the third number is the largest. And in the 9th scenario, second number is the largest and first number is the smallest. And in the 10th scenario, third number is largest and second number is smallest. In the 11th scenario, second number is largest and third number is smallest. In the 12th scenario, first number is largest and second number is smallest. In the 13th scenario, first number is largest and third number is smallest. So we have listed all these possibilities. These are all the possibilities, including equality of, even if we give the equal numbers, all the three numbers equal or any two numbers equal, but those two equal numbers lesser than the other number, or those two equal numbers are greater than the other number. Likewise, we have considered all the possible 13 scenarios. Now we will see the flowchart. This flowchart, all the way, we have 13 branches. If you look at this flowchart, we have considered all the 13 branches: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Totally all the 13 cases, 13 scenarios and 13 branches. And we have used only decision symbol. Okay, so now we will execute this in a slower pace. Wait a minute, I will increase it. Okay, so this is asking for input, and these inputs we will consider all the 13 scenarios, and we will see how exactly they behave. In the first scenario, we give all the numbers equal, all the three numbers equal: 11, 11 and 11. So it is checking whether number 2 is greater than 3. So all are equal. And the first scenario is done. We will go with the second scenario. In the second scenario, we will give the numbers such that first and second numbers are equal and the third number is larger than the first and second. So 11 and 22. Okay, so 11 and 11, which means here we have taken both of them, the first number and second number are smallest, third number is largest. And we will see the third scenario where only the second number is largest, first and third number are smallest, but both are equal. The first number and third number are equal. 11, 22 and 11. Okay, so second number is largest and first number and third number are smallest. Now we will see the fourth scenario. The fourth scenario being the first number being the largest and second and third number being the smallest. So 22, 11 and 11. Right, so 20 is largest, 11 and smallest. So what I do is I will reduce it a bit. Now the fourth scenario is also done. We will see the fifth scenario. The fifth scenario is first and second number are same, but they are larger than the third number. So 22 and 11. Okay, so the first and second number are largest, where the third number is smallest. So now we will see the sixth scenario. Sixth scenario is first and third number are largest, second number is smallest. 22 then 11 and then 22, which means first and third are largest, second is smallest. Okay, fine. Then we will see the seventh scenario. The seventh scenario is second and third number are largest, first is smallest. So 11, 22 and 22. So first, this is also done. First is smallest and second and third are smallest. Next, we'll see the eighth scenario. This eighth scenario is the ascending order. Third number is largest, first number is smallest. 11, 22 and 33. So where from here onwards no number is equal to other. So 33 is largest and 11 is smallest. So we are done with the eighth test case or eighth scenario. Now we will see the ninth scenario. Ninth scenario is second number is largest and first number is smallest. So 11, 33, 22. So second number is largest and first number is smallest. We will see the 10th scenario, where 10th scenario is third number is largest and second number is smallest. So 22, 11 and 33. Okay, 22, 11, 33, where third number is largest and second number is smallest. Right. So now we will see the 11th scenario. The 11th scenario is second number is the largest and third number is smallest. So 22, 33 and 11. So second number is largest and third number is smallest. 11th scenario is done. We will see the penultimate scenario, that is 12th scenario. First, where first number is largest and second number is smallest, that is 33, 11 and 22. First is largest and second is smallest. And now we will see the final scenario where this is going to be a descending order, which means the first number is largest and third number is smallest. 33, 22 and 11. So these are all the possible 13 scenarios we have explored for all the three given numbers. So before we close this session, I would like to zoom out a bit and then show you where exactly it starts. It starts with equality. First we are checking for whether the first number and second number are equal or not. If they are equal, then we are also checking for whether the second and third number are equal. If both are equal, which means both returns true, then we have a branch 1, which is all numbers are equal. If first number and second number are equal, but second and third number are not equal, and we are going for another branch in which whether the first number is greater than third number, then we have this scenario. If first number is not greater than third number, we have got this scenario. Likewise, we have explored all the possible 13 scenarios. Okay. Which means in the first version we have explored only the scenarios, that the 6 scenarios where all the none of the three numbers are equal at any point of time. Whereas here we have tested with all the numbers being equal, any two numbers being equal, even in the equality, those two numbers smaller than the other and larger than the other. We have seen all these scenarios. Now we'll see the pseudocode for this. The pseudocode for this is like this. So looking, if you are following the C programming for developing a program, then you can just follow this to declare three numbers and then accept all the three numbers, and you can keep on developing the logic based on this sequence of scenarios, the branching scenarios. Okay, so branch 3, branch 4, branch 5, branch 6, branch 7, branch 8, branch 9, branch 10, branch 11, branch 12 and branch 13. So these are all the possible 13 scenarios and all the 13 branches are explored.